Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are going to be trying January's subscription box, a Worldwide Treats subscription box. So, been quite busy lately, but this came in late too. But the good news is I already got February's. They actually sent it on time. I think it helped that I sent them an email right at the beginning of the month. But since that ain't an automatic thing, and apparently I gotta email them for them to send it, I'm gonna cancel my subscription when it comes up time to renew that. So when I get, after they send me March's, I'm gonna cancel my subscription. So I really think that it should be something that people get busy. Don't have time to sit there and email something. It gets frustrating especially when you're expecting it at the beginning of the month. Alright, well, enough of that. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. I got this one right here. There is some repeat ones in here, but they're still good. So I think a lot of this stuff is kind of more repeat. So, but they got some repeats, but not too bad, and the repeat ones are good stuff. So if you want something new every week, this is not every month, this is not the box for you. But I kind of like the stuff that they repeated, and the box has been full, as you can tell by what I just showed you. And I'll show you again. There it is. It comes full. I haven't moved anything. It's just kind of jiggled around a little bit from shipping, but it does come in full. So we'll give this thing a try here. This is, I've been doing this for 9 months. This is the third box I've gotten this in. This is good. A nice banana flavor. So I'm not gonna do this one, eat this one. But this one comes from Australia. So, and I believe this one is a repeat, and it's good. I enjoyed this one. And that one is from, I can see it here. Quickly. That one's from Italy, I think. Looks like it says Italy. Kind of hard to read some of these things here. So, but I can't remember if I've had this one before or not, but little waffle things, so this is good. I'm going to go ahead and give this one a try, but this one is from Belgium. Waffle, Belgium, hey, cool. So let's give this a quick little try. That one's going to taste kind of dry. Tastes like something missing out of that one. Alright, now we got this one here. So a little wafer type thing. Well, a lot of countries have these little wafer type things. And I don't know where this one's from. I think this one looks like it might be from Hungary. So I'm not, can't read the thing, but it has a web address on it, and it says HR, so I'm guessing that's probably Hungary. And we're going to open this up and see what it's like. No, that's good. Ooh. Well, let me see where this one's from here. Alright. Sorry if I get this wrong, but this one looks like it comes from somewhere in Eastern Europe. Maybe Serbia, looks like. I'm guessing it may be Serbia. I'm not sure. If not, I'm sorry. I don't do too good at foreign languages. Sometimes I have hard enough time with English. A little cappuccino. Well, that's the whole thing here. So that turned out really good. So one thing I do like about this subscription box is you do get some good stuff, a wide variety. This is new. Not everything's a repeat. But they do have some. Whoa, man, that is some strong coffee flavor there. Smells better than it tastes, and you gotta chew it a little bit before you actually get a good taste of it. A little croissant thing. I think I've had one of these before too, but this one's good. I'm not sure if this was the flavor I had though. Just apricot feeling. We're gonna open it up. You can check my other subscription box things to see if I've had this one before. Oh, that is good. I'm pretty sure I've had these before. I'm not sure where that comes from, but it's got, looks like it's got Arabic writing on it. So I got this. I'm not going to eat these because I think I've had these before. This comes from Serbia. So yeah, that other one came from Serbia, the coffee things. Let's see. Pizzeria Rita. Should be good. And do not microwave. Product of Bulgaria. Should be good. It looks interesting. That's Bulgaria if I'm saying it right. We're going to open this up here, see what it's like. Smells good. Good taste too. Emmentaler and basil and olive, whatever that first word is. It is good. This is good. This one I'm not sure where it's from, but I've had this before, so I'm not going to eat it. So there we go. Let's see, I think I'm up to 4 things I've had before. And alright, chocolate. Yeah, this comes from Greece. I don't think I've had this before. If I have, I've had a lot of this. You get a lot of wafer type stuff. So I'm gonna That's good, and that comes from Greece. I know I've had a couple of things from Greece, but I'm not sure if I've had this one. Well, I've had something similar at least. That's pretty good. Alright, this comes from Serbia. Kende Rum Palace. So I'll give that a try. See how it turns out. It's got a good smell to it. Wow, smelled it all the way up from my nose, all the way down from where I had it. Yeah. Tastes good too. Yeah, I think that has rum, and that's got that good taste there. I don't do a lot of drinking, but alright, I think I've had these before too, but I'm not completely sure. And not sure where it came from. If you guys know, you can put it in the comments below. If you've had any of these, put them in the comments below. So we're gonna give this a try. Yeah, good. Something simple. A little biscuit, a little cookie. No, that's probably something that they eat in Britain, UK, where they do teas. These are the hard candies, so you know, we'll got 2 of these lime ones, and not sure which country they come from. And then there's a little and that's a mandarin orange. So let's see. And the last one comes from Italy, and that's that right there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, we're gonna give these a try, and this will be it. This box went pretty quick. Excuse me. Alright, here we go. Another kind of wafer one. Alright. That was good. Okay, guys. Again, this was January's box for Worldwide Snack. I'll put a link down below to where you can subscribe to this box if you like it. Would like to. This is the 7th one I've had. And December and January I had to email them, send them a message saying, hey, I want my box, where is it? and that was in the middle of the month, February, which I just got today when I'm filming this. Haven't even opened it yet, but I'll probably get the video out for that next week. I went ahead and I emailed them this weekend, and they did a pretty quick job of getting it out, so you might have to email them saying, hey, I want my box after you get your first box. So I think that may be the deal with them, which I'd rather it be automatic. So with it out being automatic thing, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it. And some of them are kind of hard to figure out where they're from because I don't read the language that's on the box. But I do enjoy the snacks. They do fill the box pretty good. It's like $72 for 3 months, which comes out around $20-some. So here's the box. As you can see, and this thing is full when you get it. As you can see from the pictures that I take to do the thing and everything. So that's worth it. Because what you'd have to do to go find all this stuff around would make up for the cost of it. You may pay a little bit more than what you'd pay for the thing, but if you figure in the time and the travel that you put in for it, it's worth it. Definitely. And I don't think it's too much more than what it would be if you actually went and got the stuff yourself. And just to have it delivered to your door on your own is good. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Take time to comment below, especially if you had some of this stuff. Also, if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I'll do stuff like this. I do taste test videos. I do cooking videos. I have a cooking video that comes out usually on Saturday morning. Occasionally I do miss a Saturday. But most Saturdays I do have a cooking video out. Then I also do some regular type blogs. I do some sightseeing adventure videos. So I'll see you guys later. And just remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you guys on the next video here. Finish up some of these snacks. Cookies are good.